Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. When it comes to maximizing workspace efficiency, the best compact folding workbench delivers unmatched versatility and convenience. Ideal for small garages, workshops, or DIY projects, it provides sturdy support, easy portability, and simple storage without sacrificing strength or functionality. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Worx Pegasus Compact Workbench. The Worx Pegasus Compact Workbench stands out as a highly practical and versatile solution for both casual DIY users and more serious hobbyists. Its fold-and-go design makes it exceptionally portable, allowing you to carry it easily and store it in tight spaces without hassle. One of its biggest strengths is the seamless transition between workbench and sawhorse modes, giving it flexibility for a wide range of tasks, from woodworking to home repairs. The build quality is impressive, combining durable ABS plastic with steel supports to deliver both strength and longevity, while keeping the weight manageable at around 30 pounds. It offers a solid load capacity of 300 pounds as a workbench and up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, which is more than enough for most projects. The spacious surface area provides ample room to work comfortably, and the option to connect multiple units adds scalability. Overall, it's a reliable, well-balanced choice for portability, durability, and multifunctionality.
Number 2. Pony Portable Compact Workbench. The Pony Portable Compact Workbench is a well-equipped and highly adaptable option designed for users who value both flexibility and included accessories. Its 2-in-1 functionality allows it to switch easily between a workbench and a sawhorse, making it suitable for a variety of work environments, such as garages, gardens, and job sites. One of its standout features is the adjustable height system, offering 6 different levels between 30 and 35 inches, which helps improve comfort and ergonomics during extended use. The aluminum leg frame provides solid structural strength, supporting up to 500 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. What truly sets this model apart is the comprehensive accessory package, including multiple clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps, enhancing its usability right out of the box. Its folding design ensures easy storage and transport, making it convenient for mobile tasks. Overall, it delivers excellent value through versatility, customization, and included tools.
Number 3. Keter Garage Compact Workbench. The Keter Garage Compact Workbench is designed with simplicity, durability, and quick usability in mind, making it an excellent choice for users who want an instant workspace. Its standout feature is the fast setup time, allowing you to go from storage to a fully functional workstation in under 30 seconds without any assembly. This convenience makes it particularly useful for quick jobs or mobile work situations. The work surface is spacious and sturdy, capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds, which is ideal for heavier tasks like cutting, assembly, or tool mounting. The inclusion of clamps that can be positioned both horizontally and vertically adds to its versatility. Built from weather-resistant polypropylene and reinforced with aluminum legs, it is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use without concerns about rust or wear. Its foldable design also ensures easy storage and transport. Overall, it offers a great balance of strength, convenience, and durability for everyday tasks.
Number 4. TLGREEN Scaffold Compact Workbench. The TLGREEN Scaffold Compact Workbench is a multifunctional powerhouse designed for users who need more than just a standard workbench. Its ability to transform into 7 different tools, including a scaffold, platform, dolly, and hand truck, makes it incredibly versatile and space-saving. This makes it especially useful for those working in compact environments or needing multiple functions without buying separate equipment. The build quality is solid, with a combination of aluminum and steel forming a stable triangular frame that enhances durability and safety. It supports up to 440 pounds in scaffold mode and 330 pounds in other configurations, which is sufficient for many medium-duty applications. The adjustable height options add flexibility for different types of tasks, while the integrated wheels with locking brakes make transportation effortless. Additional features like a detachable tool tray and clamp holes improve usability. Overall, it's an innovative and highly practical solution for users seeking maximum functionality in one tool.
Number 5. ONCUPID Lightweight Compact Workbench. The ONCUPID Lightweight Compact Workbench focuses on speed, portability, and simplicity, making it ideal for users who need a quick and efficient workspace. Its most notable feature is the ultra-fast setup and folding mechanism, taking less than 3 seconds to deploy or store, which is perfect for time-sensitive tasks. Weighing only 23.3 pounds, it is one of the lightest options available, making it easy to transport between locations. Despite its lightweight design, it does not compromise on strength, with metal legs capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds. The work surface is well designed with bench dog holes, X-shaped grooves, and measurement markings, allowing for precise clamping and accurate work. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from DIY projects to professional tasks. Its compact design ensures it fits easily into small spaces. Overall, it's a practical and efficient choice for portability, quick setup, and dependable performance. Choosing the best compact folding workbench can transform your workspace, making tasks easier, more organized, and efficient. With its durable construction, portability, and space-saving design, it's an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Invest in one today and enjoy a smarter, more productive work environment.